Welcome to RRC Action. Tonight we're going to be assembling, which was the clear body for the Traxxas Mini 4x4. So I set everything up. It comes with 16 screws in the kit, 2 roof skid bars, 2 side plates for the sides there. This is the support for the quick release body system. You have the interior, which is a hard plastic, and then you have the roll cage. It's kind of bendable. That's kind of moves a little bit. So to assemble this, I like to keep everything on a bright color, yellow. And we're going to put the 2 roof parts on. And they have a little outer lip here. And then this goes towards the front. So we'll put that on. And then one on the other side. And you have to do this in this order, otherwise you'll never get the screws, be able to tighten the screws. So then, now the cage goes on over those, it's kind of keyed, and you put 4 screws in. So, down. And I use 2.0s. I like to use a electric screwdriver, but I have it on a low torque setting. I put it on a lower torque setting now. It's a 6. As you can see, I separate the screws. There's 4 for the top, 6 for the clipless body, and then 6 for the side skirts that stiffen up the body. One more. All right. Now, we put this on, the driver figure facing forward. I already put the stickers on and his little helmet sticker. And it's keyed, so it makes it easy for you. And you have to put these 2 screws on first before you put the clipless body assembly on. All right. Now, the smaller end goes to the front. You can see how it covers up those screws, so you'd never be able to get that on. And you can see that the other ones kind of key into that. And then we'll put some screws in there. There's 4 remaining for this. Two more to go. And when you work on a yellow mat, you can see everything when you drop it. And we're not lined up. Something's not lined up. It worked in rehearsal. So we push this all together. My cage isn't in the lower one. Here we go. That looks better. Would have been nicer if I didn't paint it black. back black. I would have seen it better. And then one more over here. We're still not lined up. Nope. It's going to be the tricky one. Looks like it's all the way through. I'm not going to let you watch me fumble, so let me pause until I reset that. All right, we're reset. Top cage had come on keyed. All right. Now we have the side plates to go on through the holes. Let's see here. Nope. Yep, just line up the holes. And there we go. It's longer between the first, from the front to the rear. You never make it easy, do they? All right. I'll put the 3 screws in there. It's a good bit. Can't get it out. It's going to be stuck forever. Wrong angle. It's just 7 minutes of fumbling. If you're still with me, God love you. For the love of God. Yeah, we're not scratching this thing at all, are we? Probably need to use a ball end. Yeah. Thank God there's only 3 screws left. All right, 3 left. Maybe we'll try it with a handheld. Excuse me. It's definitely easier with the power drill. Last screw. All right. That's in. Yay. It's done. Now it's just ready for stickers and destruction. All right, we'll put the stickers on and we'll give it a run this weekend. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was painful to watch, but hopefully that helped. Have a good evening.